Echelon Smart Connect Bike gigs up the pros, the cons. The surprising truth about indoor cycling is that it's not just about pedaling, it's about the experience. The Echelon Smart Connect Bike gigs promises an immersive, studio-quality ride without leaving home. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's explore the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. The EX is built for comfort and performance. It features an adjustable seat, handlebars and toe cages, allowing riders of all sizes to find their perfect fit. It's designed to feel solid and smooth, just like a professional spin bike. The bike connects seamlessly to the Echelon Fit app, giving you access to thousands of live and on-demand classes. From cycling and height to stretching and yoga, there is something for every fitness level. The instructors bring real studio energy, and the app's leaderboard adds a fun competitive edge. Unlike some competitors, the EX lets you use your own tablet or device, so you can customize your screen experience. It's also quieter than many bikes, making it perfect for home use. Now for the cons. You'll need an active membership to unlock most of the app's content. Bike itself does include a built-in display, so you must attach your own device. While that offers flexibility, it might not feel as premium as all-in-one options like Peloton. In conclusion, the Echelon Smart Connect EX is an excellent balance of quality, flexibility and value. It offers studio-level workouts, strong performance tracking, and a supportive community all from your home. If you want an affordable yet powerful alternative to high-end cycling systems, the EX might be your ride to success.